We will try the remaining phrases or the intents. For example, you are stupid. Oh, really? And the last is bye. It was nice talking to you. But the thing is, we are not able to quit the application or the chatbot. So specifically, we will have to write quit command to close the conversation. So we will make some changes to it. So when someone will say bye, we will respond it with bye. And we will use the regular expression, which is quit, to close the application. Okay. Now restart it and run. Bye, bye, and if someone writes quit, then the bot is closed. So in this way, we can create a simple chat bot with the help of Python, Anaconda, and NLTK.